My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 27,000 miles. As we step inside, we can see the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. This camper is 5 belts, 4 berths. So we have our first double bed, which from the pictures we can see transforms into 2 seats, as well as our pop top. This transporter has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can get quick access to radio, Bluetooth and phone connection. Put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.